Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Obviously when I do vlogs it's obviously videos like this. When I do videos it's just normal recording. So yeah, today we are basically going to be unboxing. It's finally arrived. So I was supposed to post the video out yesterday or last night, but it was a bit of a delay, so I finally got my package today. And yeah, so we're unboxing that. It's the G920 steering wheel pedals, but the best thing is that they also threw in the shifter as well, which I'm over the moon because it wasn't supposed to come with the shifter. It was just supposed to come with the pedals and the steering wheel, but then they threw in the in the shift as well. So massive thanks to Logitech for that. So I'm well chuffed, I'm well pleased with that because that saves me a bit of cash in that perspective. Also, if you see a bit of soundproofing cushion missing, that's because the rest of my soundproofing cushion hasn't arrived yet, so I'm still waiting on that. Then I can finally finish that, and then pretty much my room, then I can do a bit of a tour. But as you can see, it's not too bad, it's coming together slowly, but I'll do a proper in-depth review later on. There's a mic missing on my mount there. That's because I've changed it now to a snowball black edition, which again I've put a video up on that unboxing video, so check that out if you want to see what it looks like. It's quite cool actually. I've actually noticed that they come in various colors now as well. But enough of that, let's get down to the video. So it's quite a big box, as you can see. The box is quite big with your Logitech logo, all that. So I will put up here so you guys can exactly see. Now I'm gonna obviously have to move the camera slightly bit back. You know what? I didn't come prepared. I didn't come with a knife or anything. We will be doing it the old-fashioned way. A pen. Always comes in handy. So sorry for I apologize for the screen shaking a little bit, but yeah. So quite pleased about that. So it's obviously box off the box. I never actually took it out of the packaging box, but I thought I'll do the whole 9 yards with you guys, so you guys can see for yourself exactly what it would look like if it had to be shipped over to you. So it comes in a box like that, and that's basically what it would look like. It's just a big blue box. So I'm gonna get this out first, and then we'll take it from there. Don't drop it though. There we go. So that's exactly what it will look like then. So yeah, quite cool little beast, as you can see. That's what it will look like. Logitech with the pedals and the steering wheel. So obviously from the corner, from the angle, obviously for the Xbox and PC, and it comes up with the back. Obviously you got the steering wheel, the pedals, but obviously in highlighted in blue, which obviously I'm only assuming doesn't come with the shifter. So yeah, and then obviously got all the different languages and all that. And again, it's the Logitech G920 driving force. So yeah, let's put that back over there. Move the box out the way. Let's unbox it quickly. I can't wait. There's a few other bits and pieces I still need to do before I can start my recording with the Logitech. I need a mount, so that's something I'm still need to get. But nevertheless, it comes up with a little guide to show exactly what you need to do if you want to familiar with the kit. And then you obviously, when you open it up, this is what to look inside. Obviously you got the paper on the top, and that's what looks inside. So you got the steering wheel, you got the pedals, and you got the power supplies over there. So you got all of that packed really nice. Really pleased with it. Logitech did a fantastic job, so you can't complain with that. So we've got power supplies over there, and this is quite cool. It even gives you like a little guide, obviously, what it would look like if you had to get yourself the proper cockpit and whatnot. And that's actually quite cool. It shows you various cockpits. How awesome is that? Check this out, guys. It shows you various cockpits. You can go for like one like that, the more advanced, and so it goes on. That is well awesome. And it even have Forza logo. Come on, they know exactly what it is for. Forza Motorsport. But I do like that actually. This is quite a mint little one. That one is quite nice, a nice little one as well. Play seat challenge. Oh, it tells you different one. Play seat challenge, evolution, and then the F1, and then Forza Motorsport, which is the more advanced one. Well, no, actually, I don't think between the F1 and then the Forza Motorsport, I think the F1 is where you more laid back. You know, between obviously them two, it's obviously challenge and then evolution, which is like the one after that one, like the bigger brother. And then you get the F1, which is where you lay back more, and you get the motorsport one. So yeah, but again, I think the first one or the second one was pretty much ideal. But if you really are into your motorsport, then it'll probably be the best thing for you if you really are into like competition and whatnot. So anyway, enough of chatting about that shenanigans. Let's pull out the pedal. Oh my day, this pedal does weigh a bit. Wow, this is absolutely a bit of a lump. So I'm going to take this box off here, so you guys get some more. So you guys get to see exactly what it looks like. I am absolutely amazed, really, really amazed. Very heavy, so it's definitely good quality. So let's take it out there. So that's you got a nice little ground feeling over there where you know your feet don't slip. The pedals all looks like to me all stainless steel, which is obviously your yeah. I need to first walk out again. Yeah, clutch, obviously acceleration, acceleration, brake and clutch. Sorry, I was like trying to figure out how to drive for a second there. Obviously I've got a driving license, but yeah. So you got your acceleration, brake, and you got your clutch, and it feels really hard and really nice, very decent. Obviously I'm assuming it's got to wear itself in, but this is all stainless steel, really well put together. Looks absolutely decent. You got the logo there, and as always it's got the carpet or matte grip over there, so that flicks down. I'm not because my baby girl's sleeping, but yeah, that flicks down, and then you can set it nicely there, or again you can mount it on your platform, wherever, obviously if you have the kit. So, but nevertheless, it is absolutely. It's actually even got the bolts for it as well. If you actually look close enough, see it's got 6 bolts, 3 in the left and 3 in the right. That aren't in there, which I'm assuming are in the box somewhere, that are what mount to your setup. So again, massive thanks to Logitech. This stuff is actually going to go down a long way. Now let's get that out. Oh. So again, you got your little power supply and you got the steering wheel, but I tell you what, this steering wheel definitely weighs a bit. Absolutely phenomenal. It just feels incredible. Very nice. You got like a little stainless steel center piece of there. Show you the center. And the best thing about it, where it's Xbox and PC, it's got all the Xbox logos on the dash of the steering wheel, the center console, so you know exactly. And it's got even the Xbox button, so you know it's pretty much made for the Xbox. And it's even got pedals here, which are nice. Again, titanium. So you know, really nice, absolutely fantastic. It's even got the leather's amazing as well. You can actually see how it looks like they've hand stitched it though. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks really like you can see how in the light maybe. It's absolutely incredible. Very, very amazed with it. So let's put that up over there. So obviously then you get your guidebook here. And just more boxes. And more boxes. So like that's out the way now. Let's get down to the gear lever and see exactly how that looks. Again, I'm using a pen. You can use a knife, but just make sure that you got, you know, if don't be safe when using a knife. If you're not too sure, ask an adult or parent, you know. Always. Sorry again, I apologize for the wobbly screen, as I'm working on a on a desktop, one of my desktops anyway. So again, comes in a miniature blue box like that, you know. So obviously again for the Logitech G, which is made for the steering wheel, but it doesn't come with it, you know, which I was quite impressed the fact that they gave it to me. So I was very pleased by that. Because when I looked it up and I saw on the description, it didn't mention anything about the shifter. So when I went to pick it up, they said, oh, they're like, oh yeah, we're giving the, you know, we're gonna get the shifter with when you buy the purchase the Logitech. I was, oh right, wow, okay. So that saved me a bit of bucks in that perspective. So again, thanks Logitech, much appreciated. But as always, don't mind free stuff. But so let's take it out and see exactly how this looks. Oh wow, this actually looks really nice. A nice little shifter there. Let's put that one side. I'll tell you what, they did a fantastic job in wrapping it. Really good job wrapping it. So again, right, nice little lever. So that's exactly what it looks like. Nice little lever there. We've got the Logitech logo there. The logo doesn't do anything. I'm assuming maybe it lights up, but it doesn't actually do anything. But again, it's amazing. It's got like 3 holders or 3 little bites, so you can obviously from the bottom and the 2 sides. But nevertheless, you know. So I can only assume, because I think you push down, maybe, and then you like reverse. Yeah, I'm right as well. So reverse is when you push down, and then you go forwards, or sideways and forwards, and then when you pull back, it clicks up again. So really cool. Yeah, absolutely quality grip, leather all over, as you can see. If you guys, which I'm probably going to end up doing, is actually just writing the numbers on there. You don't have to. My personal preference, you know, it's just the way I've always done it. But everyone to themselves. I know, obviously, I know first, second, and third, but it's just to make it that extra realistic. You know, like obviously cars have got the numbers on them, but you know what I mean. But nevertheless, this is what it's all about, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. You know, it's been absolutely fantastic. I've loved it. I've been looking forward to it, should I say, to actually getting this kit for a while. But nevertheless, it's just time consuming. But again, when I do get more games, definitely I'll be using this kit. There's no doubt about that. So I'll obviously do like a little one by, so you guys can see exactly what it looks like all together, and you guys can see for yourself. So we got the inputs there, and we have the pedals over there. So yeah, let's check it out all together. So then now we got the shifter, handlebars, steering wheel, and pedals. So that's what it all looks like, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment down below, as I would really appreciate it. Let's hit that crazy number of subscribers, as it would really mean the world to me. And as always, guys, stay awesome, and I always appreciate the support. I'm out. Peace.